Maybe this is heaven, maybe that's just you. I don't trust my judgment, cause I'm just 22 and my distrust.
So I just woke up and I didn't actually go to my hostel back. It's I'm at hostel right now, hostel Rishikesh 2.0, I guess the name. I'll link the bookings below, but I suggest you book here. It's very beautiful, like beautiful as in it's very hygienic, very clean, and really situated in a nice place. So yeah, I'll show you how the room and stuff looks like, but I need to go get my stuff from the other hostel and ship there properly because I planned on extending my stay, so I'm gonna be staying here. And I've just like woken up. I slept at 4 in the morning and it's 10:30 right now, and today most probably I'm gonna go to the Beatles ashram. So this is the room. It's quite spacious. They have separate lockers. The washroom is also quite nice. Maybe I can show you. The washroom is also quite clean and nice. So it's currently raining, and this is how the balcony of the common area restaurant looks like. Sorry, the restaurant common area. I'll show the common area after this. It's pretty, like seriously pretty.
Through the fields of our past, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so I'm gonna get ready to go to Beatles ashram. Actually I don't have a change of clothes because half of my luggage is in the other hostel. I mean, more than half of it, because I didn't get my luggage. I was here just to visit my friends, and I like the hostel very much, so I'm gonna stay here only. But my luggage is there, so I need to go get my luggage, and then we are planning to go directly to the Beatles ashram, and then I just crash in here only. Let's see what happens. Man, the way I'm holding the phone is so weird. So I am kind of dressed up for going to the Beatles ashram. I'll show you how the common area looks like. So this is the common area. Say hi guys.
Hi. Hello.
I'll link their Instagrams down in the description.
Start.
I'll show you the common area. It's quite good. People, you can sit here. There are books and you can do all your work back there. And here also pool table. This is called pool, right? Pool or snooker?
Foosball.
No, that.
That is pool.
Okay. There's a pool table at the back, and you can sit here. It's a very nice place to be. You can see all the trees out there. So now we are leaving for the Beatles ashram. This is the hostel up here, and it's a pretty good place. Here's a cafe called the Pink Cafe right next to me, and my hair looks a little messy, obviously. Rumita out there is feeding bananas to the cow. Say hi, Rumita. Beatles ashram. This is how it looks like from the outside. Praveen is trying to speak Hindi. Okay, start.
लगभग 84 लाख जीव प्रजातियां हैं.
What is 84 in Hindi? 84.
एक अन्य मान्यता के अनुसार जीवात्मा 84 लाख योनियों में भटकने के पश्चात फिर मनुष्य जन्म पाती है.
Okay, he is now giving. He'll be giving Hindi classes after this. So I will link his Instagram below. You can ask him for Hindi classes.
Correct? I'm reading correctly.
They have domes for meditation here. These are the domes, and they have proper living area here. This is the washroom once you enter, and from here they have a living area kind of thing here. I know the lighting is not very good. They have proper living area over here, and then when you walk upstairs, they happen to have a bedroom sort of thing here. And यहाँ पे सो सकते हैं. नीचे लिविंग रूम वाला एरिया है और उसके नीचे वॉशरूम भी है. So what people used to do, लोग इससे पहले क्या करते थे कि जब भी यहाँ पे लोग मेडिटेशन के लिए आते थे तो you were supposed to live here only. तो आप लोग, these are all the friends that I made here. Oh, is this a beacon tower?
This was the gathering area.
Wow, this is so beautiful. Oh my god. I like that. This is actually the Ved Bhavan. इसके अंदर मुझे नहीं पता क्या होता है. This building was used as a lecture hall, classroom for conducting courses. अच्छा, this is the classroom. This is a very big place from inside. अंदर से तो काफी बड़ा है. And yeah.
These guys were just standing.
इसके अंदर म्यूजिक बजता है. If you're wondering what these pillars are for. ये लोग चल के आगे चले गए हैं. This is called Anand Bhavan, Siddhi Bhavan. This is the hostel area. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. It's quite pretty, and अब तो सब खंडर हो गया वैसे पूरा ही place. And here also they have a music box. काफ़ी peaceful है. It's like the whole jungle area, but the residential area is quite good. Good as in, अब खैर खंडर तो हो ही गया है, but it must have been good in their times. The architecture is quite good. They have a dome at the top from here also, if you can see. Yeah, you actually can't see. नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ से. This is the temple. They have river stone inside. इसके अंदर सारी कुटियाँ हैं. It is quite weird inside. I don't know. I won't be going inside क्योंकि मुझे डर लगता है, being very honest. So you just see it's quite dark in here. These are all made from the river stone only. And okay, so you go inside and meditate, and it's very dark. Nobody's in here. I'll just leave. So we were going to a cafe to eat, and we stopped because the view was so good and everybody wants to take pictures. So yeah, it is pretty good out here. Sorry. So we're going to a cafe to eat, and after that we'll go watch Aarti, and after that there's some festival out here, so we'll be attending the festival. और festival के बाद hostel जाके we'll sleep because I'm gonna be leaving tomorrow morning. So yeah, that's that. अभी फ़िलहाल थोड़ी देर के लिए रुके हुए हैं, इसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे कैफ़े. दिस इज़ प्रवीण trying to take good pictures. So we finally reached the ghat and let's see if I go to watch the aarti. And it's beautiful out here. The river looks very pretty because of the sunset. And yeah, this is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like from behind. Pretty much crowded because people have come here to watch aarti. I'll see if I can add some clips. अभी देखते हैं. फिलहाल तो रास्ते में we didn't go to eat क्योंकि आरती 5:30 बजे होती है एंड लेट हो गया था हम लोग को. तो अभी I bought a gallon. मम्मी ने गंगा जल मंगवाया था, so obviously I had to buy a gallon. Triveni Ghat actually, and I also got the Ganga Jal that my mother asked for. And I hope I'm audible because it's a little noisy in here because of the aarti. Yeah, now we are gonna go eat. So see ya. So it's almost end of day 2. I reached the hostel. Now I'll be going for some shopping, and I have to buy one tote bag, and that's it, one tote bag. And I'll go downhill. There are a few shops, and then tomorrow morning I'll leave for Haldwani. So I bought this bag kind of thing, small, from the shop in the market area, and I actually couldn't find a tote bag. I'm gonna go find a tote bag now. So it's almost the time to leave. It's 1. My checkout time was 11. I'm already 2 hours late, and I packed up all my stuff. It's in the reception, and अभी मैं अपने पुराने वाले हॉस्टल में अपना चार्जर भूल गई थी, तो मुझे वो लेने के लिए जाना है. After that, I'll go to the bus station and I'll get a bus for Haldwani, and yeah, that's that. Other than that, it was a very, very good experience. I met such nice people. Amey, say hi. Say hi.
Hello.
I'll link his Instagram also below. He's also a traveler. He has traveled a lots of countries, not just cities or states in India, but a lots of countries.
I stay at Gotham.
And I'll cut this, okay? I'll cut this.
I stay at Gotham City.
Yeah.
I stay in the Gotham City. I protect the people of Gotham. My name is Bruce Wayne.
I'll cut this, okay? So yeah, it was such a good experience. I met such nice people, and I'll link everybody's Instagram down below. And yeah, I'll link the booking details of this property also. The thing is, this property is how much did you pay for a bed? Don't know. He's very rich actually. He's very rich, so he doesn't remember. I think it's if you book instant, like on the spot, it's $499, and if you if you do a pre-booking, it's 300 something. And I did rafting, so rafting is approximately 420 rupees for 16 kilometers, and then the price goes up. And for getting a video. आपको extra pay करना पड़ता है. And the food is also quite good. Just you can go to the cafes because the food is not very good in this place. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, whatever good things YouTube allows you to do. And I hope you like it. Bye bye.
I had a fight. As I said, I am protecting Gotham City. So this is part of the fight. Yeah.
Okay. So your blood is white.
No, someone else's blood was white.